Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best PayPal verified account provider, and here's the review and the comparison. If you want a PayPal verified account which give you higher limit and fewer restriction, the safest way is to go through the official PayPal verification process, linking your bank and confirming your identity directly inside the PayPal. That's free, secure, and gives you full access without third-party risk. Some services online also claim they can verify your PayPal instantly, but many are unreliable or unsafe. They may ask for private information, charge high fee, or even jeopardize your account. So always check reviews and avoid provider that ask for sensitive credentials outside of PayPal's official site. For most users, going straight through the PayPal built-in verification is the best, safest, and fastest way to get verified. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more money tips, and comment what setup you're trying to use or what setup you are on with your account on PayPal. And that's it.